Every day, you face the same frustrating reality: patients in pain, unclear diagnoses, weeks of waiting for imaging, treatment plans based on guesswork instead of certainty. But what if there was a way to see clearly, diagnose accurately, and provide real answers in real time? The AMSKU Global MSK Ultrasound Summit 2025 is designed for clinicians who refuse to accept good enough as good enough. You didn't enter healthcare to be average. You became a clinician to heal, to help, to make a difference. This summit isn't about adding another skill to your toolkit. It's about transforming how you practice medicine. Learn how ultrasound becomes your clinical superpower. Discover the ROI that transforms your practice economics. Master precision-guided injections that deliver results your patients can feel. While others wait for the healthcare system to change, you have the power to change it yourself. Join an elite community of clinicians who understand that your patients deserve better than guesswork. You have the intelligence. You have the dedication. Now get the tools that match your potential. Experience the AMSKU Global Summit, hosted by Dr. Ryan Martin and Dr. Colin Rigney, featuring Dr. Dawn Buford on clinical excellence, Dr. Chris Centeno, pioneer in orthobiologics, Dr. Ashu Goyle on laser-enhanced regenerative healing, Dr. Ariana Demers on your path to practice freedom. 8 hours of MSK Ultrasound and Orthobiologic mastery. The AMSKU Global Summit, 20+ world-class experts, 2 simultaneous tracks, MSK Ultrasound and Orthobiologic integration, all in one day. Don't just attend, transform your practice. The future of MSK care starts with you.